Welcome to all of you. I am Dr. Ravina Zundaya, Head of the Department of Botany, MGM College, Karanjali. My topic is closest-induced morphological variation in Centella ascetica. Centella ascetica is one of the important medicinal plant. It's important medicinal plant, and it is vernacularly known as Brahmi Mandukparni. It is a small and creeping perennial herb. You can observe, show this is the Centella ascetica medicinal plant's habit. It's belong to family Umbelliferae and it's found all over the world and India also. It is important medicinal plant because it is used as a brain tonic. It is used as a treatment of the leprosy, wound healings, bronchitis, asthma, kidney troubles, and anti-cancer purpose. Centella is ascribed to its therapeutically active compounds, and in this four main compounds are aceticoside, madecassoside, acetic acid, madecassic acids. But unfortunately, the existing diploid genotype produces low quantity of therapeutically active compounds. There is urgent need to improve the genotype of the plant so that it yields high amount of therapeutically active compounds. Therefore, the present investigation was undertaken to improve the genotype of Centella ascetica through ploidy breeding so that it yields higher quantity of therapeutically active compound and morphological variations. Centella ascetica is used as experimental plant material. This is the experimental plant material, and clozicin is used as an antibiotic agent. Its play is induction polyploidy. Clozicin uses different concentrations and different durations with different time intervals. That means 0.1% to 1% and 1 hours to the 8 hours. in my experiment in morphological parameters, these are the 10 parameters were used in the our study to the evolution of the morphological variation from the diploid plants and closely treated plants. This is the plant size of morphological plants for the control and closely treated plant. 0.2% for 4 hours progeny. It's easily observed to the morphological variation is a control and treated plant. So in my overall the study, many concentration uses the clozicin, that means 0.1 to the 0.1 to 1%, but the 0.2% for 4 hours is best concentration to induction of the polyploidy. This is you can observe the control and treated leaf size. The 57.11% increase the size of the size of the leaf area. This is the floral birds of control and treated. It's easily observed morphological variation. It's a seed size also. It's a control seed and it's a treated seed. Easily observed the variations are there in morphological variations. This is a table for the morphological difference between the clozicin treated and control of Centella ascetica. These are all the parameters. Those are studied adds to them of morphological variation to control and clozicin treated plants, and these are the differences are there. All the differences are significantly differences. Finally, I conclude that clozicin at a concentration of 0.2% for 4 hours at a room temperature is very effective in inducing morphological variation in Centella sedica. So this is clearly indicate that the rate of survival of the colchicine treated plant was inversely proportional to the rate of concentration of colchicine is used in the experiment. Thus, colchicine treatment has resulted in overall increase in of all morphometric traits. The colchicine treated plants were robust in size, vigorous in growth, showed thick dark green color and large leaves. In the present illustration clearly indicate that colchicine induction of Centella sedica is effective and increasing the morphological variations. If morphological variation is increased, that means there is an increase in the all the character, that means the anatomicals, that means the genetical character, cytological characters, and it is a directly effect on the improve the therapeutically active compounds. So that's why say morphological variation, it is a primary indicator to identification of the improvement of the induction polyploidy. Thank you very much.